happy, syempre, kasi lahat naman tayo deserve ang happiness dito sa mundo, di ba? Tama! Advance congratulations sa mga mananalo for tonight. Thank you!
Once again, our dance congratulations, President Mayor Bayan ng Bulacan, ang dance chairperson ng Barangay San Isidro, Honorable Joan Apaw. Ladies and gentlemen, the wait is finally over. Tonight, we celebrate beauty, confidence, vibrancy, and pride as we witness the most anticipated event of the year. But before we begin, Barangay San Isidro, are you ready? Make some noise and feel the energy as everybody takes center stage. Presenting the spectacular opening production hour of our lovely candidates of Munjada Inatong Langit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome your host, the stunning beauty queen, dynamic freelance, and trans-fans host, an entrepreneur, and influential brand ambassador. Let's give it up for Miss Stacy Doroteo!
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Mutiare Katulagi 2026, a celebration of confidence, creativity, culture, and courage. Again, this is Stacy Doroteo, and I will be your host for tonight's celebration. Well, before we start, I want to hear the energy of Barangay San Isidro. Once again, make some noise! Okay. Barangay San Isidro, I just have one wish to all of you, okay? Please maintain that energy until the end of our program because of course, that would boost the energy and the confidence of our candidates. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating 13 lovely candidates!